And welcome to Space Tech Expo 2019.
Great to be here. I'm really enjoying the show, as always.
A fantastic conference session you had in there. Let's just go over a few of the points and start off by looking at the role of the commercial industry in space. How's that going to grow over the next decade?
I think it's going to continue to grow exponentially. The global space business right now is about a $360 billion business. I foresee in the next decade it'll be over $1 trillion global business. I see that as the increased role that commercial will play in all things low Earth orbit, whether it be imagery or satellite communications or human-tended payloads on the International Space Station and research and development on the International Space Station. It's only going to continue to grow. So it's very upbeat and optimistic, I think, of the future.
And as commercial space organizations, of course, are setting their foot firmly into the market, how do you think that's going to affect space system manufacturing?
I think there's a place for everything, and for more of your legacy companies, what they're doing, but also the role that these commercial space companies are playing in this greater innovation, more of a streamlined acquisition on acquiring these goods and services. So it's a really promising time for the industry, and I think moving forward, we're going to simplify and expand on the way we do a lot of the operations in space.
Bit of a crystal ball question for you now. We're going to look at the future of space. What do you think it's looking like for both the US and from the global point of view? And what excites you about that the most and why?
I see more and more global partnerships. I see that just in the work that's being done on the International Space Station, but in these startup areas, like the UK and Australia and New Zealand and Germany and Japan, the work that they're doing, and I think they see the excitement that's happening here in the US, and the growth of the commercial space industry, and they want a part of it, and we want to share that with them, and the great technology that they have. There's a limited number of engineers and innovators in this world, and we need as many as we can to get together on the best and brightest ideas.